Don't be this guy. If your small engine is having issues starting, there's a pretty good chance it's not the engine. I'm Bob with Sta-ble. The number one issue with small engines running rough or not running at all is actually bad fuel. Why? Because gas can go bad in some cases in as little as 30 days. Much quicker than most people realize. The issue boils down to three main reactions inside the fuel system. First, oxidation. When gas is exposed to oxygen, it can cause fuel to break down and lose stability. That creates sediment, gum, and varnish that can clog injectors and lead to poor or no performance. Next is evaporation. Lighter fuel components evaporate over time. This can lead to hard starts, stalling, or rough idling. The lightest components of the fuel mixture are what allow it to ignite when starting your engines. And then you have moisture contamination. Water from condensation can enter the fuel in microscopic amounts. That leads to separation, meaning water separates from the fuel and sinks to the bottom. This does two things. You get a gasoline layer on the top of the tank that has reduced octane, and the bottom layer is straight up non-combustible. This is known as phase separation. Okay, so if your small engine isn't starting, you get frustrated because you just want to get whatever the job is done without getting a headache trying to figure out why your engine isn't running. First thing you're going to want to do is top off the tank with fresh fuel. Straight from the pump is best. If your engine is running or idling rough, grab some Sta-ble Fast Fix. 1 ounce treats 2.5 gallons, much better than our competitors, plus it's a stronger formula. Get the engine started, let it idle for a few minutes to let the product clean out your fuel system and eliminate any debris that's clogging things up. If your small equipment isn't turning over, not running at all, try some Start Your Engines. When we launched this product years ago, we worked with true small engine mechanics across the country and had a success rate of starting 8 out of 10 engines that would not start. We understand additives are not the fixes to all problems. Spray about half the product into your fuel tank, then put a shot straight into the air intake. Should be about 5 to 10 seconds a shot. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before attempting to start. What's cool about this product is it's actually heavier than the fuel. So when you spray it in there, it goes directly to the fuel line, and then when you pull that cord, it feeds straight into the carburetor for a deep clean that only this specialized additive can supply. The shot directly into the intake gives it that quick fire to help pull the cleaner through the fuel system. If the fuel's the problem, one of these two products should help you get moving again. If they don't work, you potentially have a bigger issue. This is to help get you out of a crisis. A generator that won't start during a hurricane, a winter storm and you need to get the snowblower started, forget to use a fuel stabilizer and you're trying to get the lawn cut for the first time of the year, you get the idea. Once your equipment is going again, keep it clean and protected all season long by using a fuel treatment like Sta-ble In-Season Protection. The PEA additives in this formula protect against the issues we mentioned before, while also ensuring you get more out of your fuel. Sta-ble In-Season Protection is the only small engine additive to have this strong PEA cleaning chemistry. Treat your fuel in the gas can right away to make sure you use treated fuel in all your machines all season long. This prevents water, corrosion, carbon deposits, and more from forming in your fuel system. The biggest thing you should take away from this is prevention is cheaper than repairing. It also prevents you from having a headache when your engines won't start. You can avoid dealing with fuel-related problems with your small engines by using Sta-ble storage when you put your machines away for the season. That keeps gas from breaking down and ensures quick, fast starts when you need them. Sta-ble Storage is America's #1 fuel stabilizer, proven by third-party testing to keep fuel fresh, the best in the category. It also prevents corrosion at the highest clip compared to competitors, because it's actually the only one that prevents corrosion. So there you have it. Before you rush to the repair shop or take your equipment apart, understand that bad fuel is the #1 issue with small engines and that it's easily preventable. Sta-ble has products to fix those issues and have thousands of 5-star reviews proving their success. But better yet, use Sta-ble at every fill-up or when you store to prevent you from having to spend extra to fix the problems. It's only a couple cents to use our additives when you fill your gas can versus hundreds to fix what could have been prevented. If you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments, and we will also provide links to the products talked about in this video. Again, I'm Bob. Thanks for watching.